to another DIY with SPL. I'm Keirstin, and May is Mental Health Awareness Month. So we thought it was a good time to bring you a DIY project that will help you practice some self-care. So what we're going to do today is a mini Zen garden. So these are inspired by Japanese rock gardens. If you know anything about them, they're places of tranquility, simplicity. If you look at the patterns in the sand in a Zen garden, there are these painstaking designs. The point is to practice meditation, practice concentration. Your Zen garden is going to have simple elements like sand or gravel, rocks, maybe a statue or a plant, but you're not going to have like shrubbery and flowers like you see in your typical garden. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make our own Zen garden, and you'll see there's not much as far as things you need for it. I actually have more here than you will really need. So you need to start with the base. This is just a picture frame that I'm gonna glue. You could just use any sort of base that's shallow. Here's some sand. You want a fine grained sand. Optional is some essential oil if you want a more calming experience when you're playing in your Zen garden. There's no right or wrong. Rocks. I have a little fake air plant just because I don't have a green thumb. I kill things, so you could use a real air plant if you wanted to. I have some moss, which is also optional. A little decoration, optional. And you do want some sort of rake. I made this out of dowels, basically just cutting 2 dowels, hot gluing them, and cutting up a little skewer stick and gluing those up there. But you also can just buy one for a few dollars, or you don't have to use a rake at all. You can use a fork or a skewer stick, a pin, whatever you want to play in your Zen garden. So what I'm going to do is open the back of this picture frame, take out this glass part because we don't need it. Oh, that's right, you do need a hot glue gun, if I missed saying that. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue in here just so we can glue down this cardboard here. Don't need tons, just enough to keep it in place. And I'm going to put the ugly side down or facing up in this orientation. Doesn't really matter because it's going to be covered with sand anyway. Okay, so now we have a good base going. Take our sand. You actually could use a paintbrush too to smooth the sand around in your base. I've seen that done. It'll probably look prettier than what I'm going to just do with my hands. But again, there's no right or wrong here. I'm going to leave a little bit of room for my moss here. And actually I need a little room because I'm going to put my fake air plant here over to the side. You could glue down your moss. I'm not going to. The moss is actually sheds a lot, and you might want to change up your Zen garden depending on your mood. So I don't like permanence, so I'm going to allow my Zen garden to morph a little. I'm going to put a little dab of hot glue over here because I want to put my air plant over here, and I'm just going to hold it here. You don't want to put, I want to put essential oil in the Zen garden, but you don't want to put tons. Might be overpowering. Just depends on what you want to do. Let's see if that'll hold up here. Might have to hold it up a little bit longer. Let's see. Looks like it's holding up pretty good. Let's put some sand around to make it. Right. Looking good. Again, it's all about simplicity. Your okay, that was 2 drops. It looked like a lot more. It's saying so when you put your essential oil in there, it'll clump up a little bit, but it'll go back to normal. So pretty much you're done once you put your rocks in there. You can put as many as you like or as little. You can put your Zen garden. A lot of people stop right here. I've seen candles placed in the Zen garden if you want to light up a candle and meditate. It's up to you. I like this little bit just because I want to imagine myself going to a special place. So sitting on a bench. So that's something I got for my Zen garden. And you're pretty much done to play in your Zen garden. You take your rake and you can definitely make whatever lines or designs you want in the garden. I think it's a great opportunity to just take a break, especially if you're at work and you just need a second. You can take some time to practice a mindful activity like raking your Zen garden, raking through your thoughts. And that's it. Hopefully this is something that you can do to practice. Do something for your mental health, because we all need a break from time to time. And that's it. Thanks for joining me.